This card game, Santa, Cookie, Elf, Candy, Snowman, is so fun. My daughter and I played it as soon as we got it, and it was so much fun. If you have played Taco, Cat, Goat, Cheese, Pizza, it is from the makers of that game. So it's a very similar concept, but this is kind of the holiday version, but you could play it year round. I'm gonna show you what the cards look like and just how cute it is and how to play. Okay, so you're gonna evenly distribute the cards. So when my daughter and I played, it was just two of us, so we made two piles and they had the same amount of cards in each pile. So I was the dealer, so I dealt them out, so she went first. You're gonna read a word off the box each time you flip a card. So you have to go in order. So she had to say Santa as she flipped her first card, which that's not a match. So then next word is cookie. So I had to say cookie as I flipped my card, which was, it was an elf. That was not a match. Then she went on, she had to say elf, and she got cookie, not a match. Then the next word is candy. So when I flipped mine over, it was candy. So then you wanna slap the deck. So whoever slaps the deck last on top has to take those cards and put them in their pile. The objective of the game is to have no cards left the fastest. So it's bad if you're the last one to slap the deck because you don't wanna end up with the cards. Whoever slaps the deck last, then they get to go first the next round. And you start over with Santa. So my daughter would say Santa, and then I would say cookie, and she would say elf, and I would say candy, and it was candy again. So we all slap the deck. So you do this with however many players you have, but whoever is on top, who's the biggest loser, who doesn't get their hand down, they have to take that. So let's say I was the last one to slap. Then I have to take that pile, put it on the bottom of my deck. Then I start over. Santa, cookie, elf, candy, snowman, Santa. Okay, so that's a match. So then whoever, and you just go on like that. You just keep going like that until one person is done with their cards. So to make the game a little more complicated, there are 3 special cards that you need to know about. So these are mixed up in the deck. They are drums, reindeer, and silent night. So if you are flipping cards and you, let's see, we'll turn that over, and you get silent night, you have to go shh, and you have to do that before you slap the deck. If you get drums, you put it down and you have to play the drums on the table, and you're supposed to sing pa-rum-pa-pum-pum before you slap the deck. And if you get reindeer, you have to make reindeer antlers before you slap the deck. It's very fast paced, but it's fun. So you gotta keep reading in order and also know what card is down when you're flipping it. Those special cards kind of throw things off and add a little complication to the game, but it is really fun, and my daughter and I love playing this together. This was a great holiday purchase, but you could play it year round, and I give it a 10 out of 10, highly recommend.